Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete or remove accounts Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to delete or remove accounts Microsoft Outlook on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. You can see here in the left corner of the account section here there are two accounts in one Microsoft Outlook application. To delete one of these accounts in Microsoft Outlook, just go ahead. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a settings icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options. Select the account menu. Now here in the Your Accounts section, you can see there are two accounts. To delete it, tap Manage. There is one account that will be deleted. Here the account will enter. To delete it, here there is a Remove button. Tap. Now you can see that I have been successfully deleted. We can see it on the main display too. Here there is no more account that before. Here there is only one key left. So that's it, tutorial how to delete or remove accounts Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.